بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. ٹوڈے ہمارا ٹاپک ہے اے سکسیسفل اسٹیورڈ. اے سکسیسفل اسٹیورڈ اور ویٹر. کیا ہے جی؟ اے سکسیسفل اسٹیورڈ اور ویٹر. ٹوڈے ہمارا ٹاپک ہے. امید ہے آپ کو ٹاپک اچھا لگے گا. تو لیٹس اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. A successful waiter or steward. Be confident and friendly. Be confident and friendly. Smile at members and guests. Engage in useful conversation. Avoid personal talk. As guests are there to enjoy themselves and not help you through personal problems. کیا جی؟ Be confident and friendly, smile at members and engage in useful conversation. Avoid personal talk as a member are there to enjoy themselves and not help you through personal problems. Be accurate. Make sure you repeat everyone's order back to them to themselves and not help you through personal problems. Be accurate. Make sure you repeat everyone's order back to them to assure that you have it right. Nothing fosters a member more than to have their order messed up and the delay that result. Assure members' satisfaction after you deliver food to members. Take a few moments before leaving to make sure that everything is to the members' satisfaction. If drink needed to be refilled, this is a good opportunity to do so. Also check back in periodically to make sure that the members have everything that they need. Not, however, while you want to make yourself available if the member guest requires your service. Once you have checked on them and they have everything they need, allow them to enjoy their meal. Keep an eye on members or guests in concern with the last point. While you don't want to hurt our members or guests, you do want to be within eye contact so that if they single you or otherwise want to get your attraction, you will be able to respond quickly. Rush member or guest. Do not give the impression that you are rushing members or guests by asking if they are ready for their check or asking if they are finished eating. Instant allow members to guest single when they are done and ready to pay for their meal. In addition to following the above duties, waiter or steward should have a few common courtesies that allow for the constant success. This is only a small sample of what they attributes and toys that the comprise a good steward or good waiter or waiters that should be found in a restaurant. SOP for a restaurant manager having personal with these skills and standards in paramount of the success. Much of this can be instant with the proper training. In addition to a restaurant SOP, every establishment should have a restaurant training guide that the outlines procedures that allow food and beverage management to impact needed skill to personnel. A major key for success in the food and beverage industry in knowledge. Don't find yourself behind the eight ball with over informative. Having a table full of dirty dishes and silverware and messy makes it look like you aren't doing your job as a server completely and leaves the member feeling ignored. When a member feels alone is the negative direct effect in your team. Instructions: watch your table after you have served the food and check back to make sure everything is to their liking. Peek at the table as you are attending to your other members or guests. Doing so allows you to clear the dishes as your members are finishing instead uh, of all at once. इंस्ट्रक्शन ये है कि ये मैंने बात की है अभी, ये इंस्ट्रक्शन ये है कि एक मेंबर्स को, एक गेस्ट को अपने सर्विसेज दे दिए, सारा कुछ दे दिया, तो आपने जब तक एवरीवन वो फिनिश ना कर लें फूड, उस वक्त तक आपने फूड की जो डिशेज़ हैं, टी प्लेट्स हैं, वो उठानी नहीं है जब तक एवरीवन फिनिश ना कर लें। तो एक सक्सेसफुल वेटर और स्टूवर्ड्स की स्टोरी आपने सुन ली कि उसको, स्टीवर्ड को, उस वेटर्स को कैसा होना चाहिए। A good steward is a tactful. A good steward is a responsible. A good waiter stewards a process around the knowledge of an establishment, services and procedures and products. A good stewards pay attention to detail. A good steward as well dress up. This is the whole story of how to be a successful waiter, a successful steward. ये थी जनाब टॉपिक, हाउ टू बी अ सक्सेसफुल स्टीवर्ड और सक्सेसफुल वेटर, कि एक सक्सेसफुल वेटर में, एक सक्सेसफुल स्टीवर्ड्स में कौन कौन सी क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए, वो मैंने आपको बड़े तफसील से बयान की हैं। उम्मीद है आपको ये टॉपिक हाउ टू बी अ सक्सेसफुल स्टीवर्ड का अच्छा लगा होगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा और फॉरवर्ड कीजिएगा। थैंक यू वाचिंग माय चैनल। अल्लाह हाफिज़।